Okay, welcome back to another Animal Company short. And today we have all of these backpacks full to the brim with blue orbs. And we're gonna see how much we get. Alright, don't wanna start loading them in.
Okay.
We worked very hard for this. And
I can't get up.
we filled all 8 backpacks full to the brim with blue orbs of Haunted Mansion. And we're gonna make so much money. Every single one of these, I promise this is not an APK. Every single one of these is filled to the brim. Here, I'm gonna have to start going up here with blue shiny orbs. Man, we're gonna make so much money.
Okay.
Alright.
The last one.
Alright.
You ready?
Yep.
Go.
Alright, all of these backpacks are full to the brim with blue shiny orbs. Let's see how much we get. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this.
Next thing you know, it glitches the whole map. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! 88,000, bro! Holy
gosh.
cow! We need to do that tomorrow.
Now.
I'm almost at 500k, bro. Let's go! Like and subscribe.